most of us have had bad experience and good ones, so how do you expect us to trust every cop out there?
Just like you said, it's a bad egg in every job. I ain't even gonna lie to you about that. It's good cops, it's bad cops. But me, I look at it like I'm one of the good ones. I do what I gotta do, and you know what? You don't have to trust us, but you should at least believe in what we're telling you, just for the time being. And then if you got questions later, figure out later. Don't sit there at a scene. They're telling you, put your hands up, and you sitting there, no, I'm not putting my hands up. Just put your hands up for now, and then later on ask questions. You know what I mean? So.
Like from a second chance with juveniles.
Say the last word.
Do you believe in a second chance with juveniles?
Oh yeah, definitely. I think we all make mistakes. And it depends on how you recover from it and how you look at it. But some people make mistakes time after time after time. And some people they might look at him like, yo, he's just stupid. But to tell you the truth, you gotta look more beyond that. Maybe what the situation he's in. His family, his friends, maybe he ain't got nobody there for him. So I believe in definitely a second chance, juveniles and adults.
Have you ever experienced racism?
Probably pretty much every day of my job. Just me being a black officer in general. People look at me as traitor. That's what they look at me, and just maybe, I don't know if it's this community, it could be plenty other communities. They look at black officers as traitors. Every day I go out on calls, white people, you nigger this, you nigger this, and I'm looking like, hey, I'm just doing a job, I'm here to protect, serve. I'm not here to call you names. I'm not here to get called names. And it's the same thing with black people as well. They call me names like, yo, you be trading your race. Like, what are you doing? Like, yeah, you know what I mean? And I look at them like, it's stupidity. That's how I look at it. You know what I mean? Like, for you to even think that way is just absurd. Because I work with black officers, I work with white officers, and at the end of the day, we all got a job to do. We're not looking at it like white, black, anything. Because at the end of the day, they're going to handle it the same way. You know? So, yeah.
Have you ever had to arrest a family member or a friend? How do you feel?
Definitely arrested family members and friends. Me, I look at it like, I give a lot of people a lot of leeway. If I don't have to message you, I won't. But at the end of the day, I got a job to do, and I'm not gonna let it jeopardize what I need to do. And I told them, I'm like, yo, you know what you did? You did it wrong, man. If I could let you go, I would, but obviously right now I can't. So if you can't respect me, respecting my career, we're never friends. You know what I mean? So, like, gibberish, but some people come off rude right off the bat. Me, I'll give you an attitude, you give me an attitude back. That's how I look at it. But some people just come over, just like you said, like you, license registration now. Like me, can I have your license registrations? Thank you. You know why I stopped you today? Boom, boom. Other people, license registration. What were you doing? Speed. That's what other people come out. Like, it's different ways how you look at it. You know what I mean? Do I judge people by their background? It depends on how you look at judge. You can be more aware, more alert of something, but judging them, no. Like I said, everyone makes mistakes. It's like you said, somebody robbed somebody, you know the person robbed. Of course, next time something happens, you might look in his direction, not pointing fingers, but it might be something that'll raise your alert system to look more into this person than another.
There's videos of other people getting attacked by other cops.
I shake my head. I ain't gonna lie to you. I shake my head and I just say, hopefully something happens. You know, as in suspension, maybe make the person resign. Because it is different videos. I'm not gonna lie. I see you. I'm like, yo, it's absurd. I wouldn't be able to do that to somebody and go home and feel good about it. You know what I mean? Some people just be like, yeah, I beat that dude up, whooped his ass. I did this, I did that, and feel good and be able to go home and smile. That person not there for the right reasons.
Have you ever shot anyone that you thought was armed? Like, not shot, but like, attacked anyone? Have you ever shot somebody at all?
Nope, I haven't shot anybody and don't plan on shooting. I practice shooting a lot just in case that situation occurs, but I don't plan on really shooting anybody at all. Yep, use the words, man. Yep, try to talk them down.
Change the perspective about how we feel about the police.
More police presence. You know, instead of like you coming up like if you don't like the police, so some people raised on, hey, don't like the police, they're not there. We're here for you. Come up to us, speak to us. We're human beings. Like I said, yo, this is just a uniform. We take this off, we're normal. Nothing different. Talk to us, and you'll know if you'll like the person or not. If you don't like that officer, try another officer. One of us you'll connect with and you'll get along with, and if you ever got a situation, you'll feel comfortable coming to him the next time. Correct. Come to the PD, you can request me. Hey, it's Officer Walker, I need to speak to him about a problem. That easy. I'm free. Like I said, I'm friendly. I'm not here to scare you, to deter you, or nothing. I'm here to protect and serve you guys. Me in a situation like that, I'll take on the situation. Definitely me seeing myself as a role model, I'll get in and be like, yo, let me just talk to him, man. I got a better relationship right now. Like, obviously you and him's not vibing right now. Like, let me take this over. But the way like that, and just like you said with the whole boy and everything, like back to some slavery day type stuff, I would talk to him afterwards, not in front of you guys, because you gotta keep it professional. Like, yo, man, like you gotta step through the line with that. You can't be doing that. That's how I would handle that. Speak with another officer. Yep. Be like, hey, I don't want to talk to you anymore, and you have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say nothing. I don't want to talk to you anymore. I want to talk to somebody else. That's how.
And what if they say? What if they deny you that?
Who?
Like, what if they like, nah, you talking to me?
Continue to be quiet. And what are they gonna do? Put their hands on you? Right there, they're in the wrong. After that, if I was you, go right to their PD. Like, hey, I want to talk to the supervisor about the situation I was just in. Yeah, think about it. A lot of things recorded. Everything is recorded now. Everything. You might not think everywhere we are, you see some lights, somebody's like this. Believe me, they'll have that video footage.
My thing is, live to fight another day. Just like officer said before, just don't say, hey, I ain't gotta show you this, I ain't gotta do this, I ain't gotta do that. Fight him in court.
Yep.
Just shut it up.
Just comply.
And comply. Fight another day, because you could get shot by just running your mouth.
Exactly.
So just be quiet and say, hey, I see you in court, officer. There you go. And it's over. You go home today.
Yep.
You fight him another day in court. That's all.
That's it.
Ah.
You know how you.
Are you like used to it?
Yeah, I'm used to it now. Seeing so many dead bodies.
What about the first time?
First time, as like I said, it was during my FTO. Dude overdosed on heroin. He got a call over there, so he's dead. Growing up, I seeing the stuff that was going on around me. Obviously, I was born and raised in Monticello, and haven't moved. Been here since, and I'm looking at it like, as a regular person, like, dang, I would like to do something, but there's not much else I can do without getting myself hurt, shot, killed. The same thing with this, but with this, you got the government backing you, and what you're doing is being seen to the community for helping. That's like you right now, you want to help out the community, you get your pistol permit, stuff like that. You try to do what we do in the streets without being a police officer, how that's gonna look. How people gonna attack you, right? And they're like, oh yeah, we gotta get Noah out of here. It's gonna be hits for you, it's gonna be this, it's gonna be that. See, you got people backing you with the same mindset as you, and you doing it for the community, it's a different story.
Has somebody ever like tried to like hurt you?
Hurt me? The situation I told you about to do with the knife, that's for sure. And it's yes, plenty of times we got stuff thrown at us, people attacked us because they were mad.
Scared by it?
Scared? Yeah. Just a normal human being always scared by any type of situation in regards to you could possibly lose your life. So when I go into stuff, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. Definitely am, but I'm perform the best I can.
Is there anything about society or the interactions between police and community that we could improve or change upon?
I would like to see our kids learn, study and learn more about the law, about their constitutional rights. They need to know their rights.
Mm-hmm.
And they know how to handle the streets within the streets. They can do what they can do. It's very important.
That is important.
So you guys got to get educated also. Like officers educated, you guys got to get into your books and understand the law, understand the constitutional, the amendment and all that, First Amendment, the Second and Third.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'd like to